Most people use Swagbucks completely wrong. They spend hours clicking random surveys and then wonder why they barely earned enough for a small gift card. But here's the truth no one tells you. The people earning the most on Swagbucks are not working harder. They're using smarter strategies. In this video, I'll show you the top ways to earn Swagbucks faster in 2026. We'll cover the highest paying activities, the biggest mistakes slowing users down, and the easiest methods to boost your rewards without wasting time. Let's jump straight into the first strategy. The fastest way to earn more SB points is through featured offers. These are usually app downloads, game milestones, free trials or partner promotions. Some offers pay significantly more than regular surveys. For example, Alex from California completed a mobile game offer that required reaching a certain level within a week. Instead of earning a few cents from surveys, he earned nearly $20 worth of SB points from one task. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users ignore cashback shopping, even though it can become one of the highest paying Swagbucks features. If you already shop online through stores like Walmart, eBay or Amazon partners, activating Swagbucks cashback before purchasing can generate rewards from money you were already planning to spend. But here's the problem. Most users randomly click tasks without checking the payout to time ratio. That's one of the biggest reasons earnings feel slow. This is where most people fail. They focus only on surveys. Surveys can help, but many have low payouts and frequent disqualifications. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest passive strategy that many Swagbucks users completely ignore. Another smart method is using the daily goal system. Swagbucks rewards consistency. Completing your daily target unlocks bonus SB points at the end of the month. Jake from Texas started hitting his daily goals consistently, and noticed his monthly rewards increased faster than expected. Referral bonuses are another underrated strategy. If active users join through your link, you can earn a percentage of their activity over time. This creates passive earnings without doing extra work yourself. Now, here's where it gets even more valuable. Limited time promotions can dramatically increase payouts. Swagbucks regularly boosts rewards for certain games, shopping deals, or seasonal events. Experienced users check the featured section daily, instead of relying on the same tasks every time. Another important tip is using the mobile app alongside the desktop version. Some offers and activities appear only on specific devices, which means you could miss extra earnings by using only one platform. But, remember this. Never rush through surveys with fake answers or use VPNs to unlock restricted offers. Swagbucks actively checks account behavior, and suspicious activity can lead to lost rewards or account bans. So, here's the bottom line. The fastest ways to earn Swagbucks are featured offers, cashback shopping, daily goals, referrals, and promotional bonuses. Focus on high-value activities instead of grinding low-paying tasks all day. If you already use Swagbucks, comment below with your favorite earning method or biggest payout so far. And if this guide helped you earn faster, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more legit online earning tutorials. Why earning tutorials?